Finally an integrity video! And it's a double. But before we get into today's video, if you're tuning in for the first time, hola, I am just Christopher. If you've already subscribed to my channel, well, thank you so much for joining me for another great reaction. So, okay. Recently, if you are a W Club member, then you know we just had a micro collection being released, and it was a micro collection on just a few of the lines from Integrity. I went gaga over our subject of the day today. I just love the twin factor with the boys. I don't know why I'm playing it a secret, ready for a photo. And I also just really love the Indian factor. Like I've been fortunate enough to go to India, and I love when dolls have an ethnic background and they're celebrating that. So without further ado, let me get these boxes. So I order my toys from Sideshow. I think I've mentioned that before. Also, I just kind of pulled the first box I saw, so I have no idea who this is. It's like a double surprise for all of us. Oh, actually, I should probably put that over here, not over there. I feel like it's been, no, I know. It has been a very long time since we've done one of these. Ooh. Ooh. Box feels so different. Is it because it's been so long that I think the box feels different? Let me know. It just has this like fabric feel to it. Did it have that before? It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I think I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Oh, yes, baby. Hold on. Hi. Hi. So if I'm not mistaken, you are I don't know why I bothered looking at the box. I can't pronounce these names. So this is Jin, which is Tajin. There's more to this name, but we're gonna cut it off there because I don't want to disrespect anyone. My pronunciation be off for plenty of things, and this is not gonna be one of those things we're just gonna like, you know. I hear the fake it till you make it thing, but this isn't the case. Okay, you're ready to see him? Sorry, I was like hawking him. Booyah. Okay. Look at it. Look at it. All right, that's all you get because you're gonna see something better soon. So we're gonna pull him down so we can get his brother. God, like the light was like really bright, so you didn't get to see the shipping label. Although it's like 2020, I feel like you can really find somebody if you really want to. It's not that hard. I don't know why I really am enjoying touching these boxes today. I feel like a little kid with one of those books you have to like feel and touch. Blame it on my niece for reminding me of those things. Okay, the brother. It's Jin. Pin. Jin and Pin. Jin and Pin. This is Pin. This is Pin. This is Pin. It's Dalpin. Dalpin. Don't come for me. I don't know what I'm saying. Hey, boo! He looks so boyish. I think that was the other reason why I liked both of these boys. I'm going to say something before I show them to you. I liked that although they were twins, unlike the Lilith and the Eden, which they try really hard to always make like a good and a bad sister, with the boys, they were able to kind of show one boy being a little bit rougher while the other boy was being a little bit softer. So like I said, this one has a boyish charm to him. The first one had this like stronger, rugged feel to him. And I appreciate that although it is the same face mold, they found ways to still make them individuals like most twins are. Even when you have like identical features, there's still something that makes you slightly different. I mean, look at Tia and Tamara. I mean, we can all tell them apart because it's been so many years. But when I was younger, I could only tell one apart because one had the mole. That's a thing, Integrity. Okay. Here's Pin. Okay, that's all you're getting for now. Yep. I say so. Okay. Now, if you are new to my channel, at this moment, I'm going to take a break off camera to unbox them. I don't want you to struggle with me. It'd be a struggle sometimes. You don't want to watch all that. So, when I come back, we will be looking at both boys together, fully accessorized and everything that they come from head to toe. Also, if you're new to my channel, I usually do like a restyle portion. Now, because this is a double video, I will be doing a restyle portion, but I will be using the clothes that they came with to restyle them. So I won't kind of restyle them in anything different due to the fact that it is two of them. You heard that car? I heard that car. If you didn't hear that car, now you know there was a car. So yes, without further ado, let's look at the boys. I have this thing where like I always start at shoes, but like why wouldn't you? First, I'm going to start with the sandals. Why? Because I'm obsessed. Also, I've been dreaming of sandals like this for myself. And let me tell you, they're hard to find on a budget. So I'm glad he has them. Also, these like men mule looking things, slippers. I don't know what you want to call them. Fabulous. Look at this amazing tiny print and buckle detail. Love, love, love. The sandals were also not that hard to put on, believe it or not. Really enjoy that. Now, let's start moving upwards. And I give you the twins. Oh, they look so good. Let me just tell you guys, if there was ever like a dream color palette for like a vacation wardrobe, this is it. I would live in these looks. I love these looks. I probably purchased a lot faster because of these fashions. They are everything to me. I love them. There are not enough positive words in the English dictionary. Well, I just stopped there for a very long moment to describe how I feel about these looks. Love them, love them, love them. I think you'll hear a baby cry in the background. You can accept, it's fine. I don't really know what to do with the scarf. I know it was around his neck. It's a little stiff right now, so I just kind of gave him a Christian Dior vibe and just crossed it over his body. Also, the boys come with earrings. The holes that my dolls came with are extremely tiny. I need to reopen them. Oh, is my camera foggy? I think something's up. Anywho. Yeah, so I do love the earrings. I do want to put them on. It's just the fact that the holes are a little small, so I didn't get to do it just yet. But I most likely will because I think they're super nice. They're super simple and I like them. What I didn't notice when I purchased them was that each boy had this like woven, I was gonna say wave, don't know why, woven bracelet. His is like a beige color. This one's a little gray, it's hiding over there. Maybe you'll see it at the restyle, which I'm still trying to figure out what exactly I'm going to do. Haven't decided, but it shall be fun. All right, let me undress them and then figure out how we are going to come back with the restyle. Now I give you the restyle. Hello, boys. So as you can tell, we kept it subtle. My lack of imagination might not be working that strong right now. So it's very subtle changes. This came to mind really quickly. Like I just really wanted to see the brown sandals with like this beige khaki look. What I didn't notice before, and it might just be like a detail that I overlooked until right now, I love how these pants have the drawstring on the top, but these have what would be a traditional jogger look at the bottom. So I love how both pants kind of incorporate two different kind of trousers intertwine. Where like, you know, the gray ones have the zipper and the belt loop, but the beige ones have the more clean bottom. Just the opposite of the joggers, which I absolutely love. This beautiful shirt was under the jacket, and I kind of just wanted to give it more of a like laid back feel with a shorter sleeve and a mock neck. So I gave it to him over here with this look. Here you can see both of the woven bracelets that I mentioned earlier. You can now also see the watch a little bit better. I mean, there's not enough light, but it is what it is. So cute, so cute. And then with him, I mean, blame me if you shall, but I really wanted to sex it up. He look at that, I'm already stuttering. He just yells, you know, crush idol. So that's what I went for here. Once again, I'm still learning, or I'm still playing around with ideas of how to do the scarf. But with his look, it's very much blues and grays and very just cool breeze, while the other one's very relaxed and chill. But yeah, here are the twin brothers. Absolutely in love with them. Okay guys, that was today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into another video with me. Now, if you haven't already subscribed while you were watching this video, please do so at this moment. Also, please make sure to leave a comment and a like, because we need to get this traffic going. I've mentioned it before, I'll mention it again. You know, just gotta keep it growing. Also, I don't hope there will be such a big gap between videos, because convention is merely a few days away. And well, I'm already slightly overwhelmed without even being there, because this will officially be my first convention where I already know I will have my first doll haul. Last year I went for my first convention, but I only got like a handful of dolls. This time I've pre-ordered something pretty big. So that already puts me at a very wide number that it wasn't last year. So even if, you know, there's like a 2-3 week gap between this video and the next, just know that there'll probably be a lot of videos back to back. You've been warned. Just saying. Okay? Alright guys, until next time. Bye.